Alrighty, back again here. We got one last little bit of stuff to tear up, and that's going to be all for the demo and prep, and this will actually be the last of the install. So let's turn around and see what we're getting into. So we got this closet, this hallway I'm standing on here, and there is a huge ridge right across here, real bad right there, and it got some squeaks going on there. You can definitely see there's no, and that right there got no expansion there, definitely no expansion there, and also back in here they just did not allow expansion anywhere, hardly. So again, the manufacturer has deemed this defective product. So anyway, this is the last of it. I might actually have to do a little bit of leveling right here versus just sanding down, because that's pretty dramatic. We'll see what we get into when we start pulling it up. So this is a great way of prepping out the floor. It's what the last guys did here. Just tear chunks out of it. And that'll get the high spots out a little bit, maybe. Obviously not, because it's still super high right here. But anyway, what a way to prep, huh? Alrighty. That is, like I thought, too deep, too much of a drop right there to sand that much. So we are going to bring it up with floor leveler. We got it primed so that we get a good adhesion. I don't like doing stuff like that on a wood subfloor, honestly, but we'll use the additive to make it bond good, and we also prepped the floor out with a primer to make it get a good stick so it don't crumble all to pieces and such like that. So we'll give this just a bit to dry, and then mix it and spray it some. Well, just had to do a little bit of touch up here. We have, and then I'm sure you can guess the rest. Yep, and the bad thing is, look in there. I've yet to go in there and look. Not going to be good. Not going to be good at all. Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty. I'll tell you what, there was a big height difference right there. And the Ollie Tramlines have transition sizes for about any size that a person would want. That's super nice. Anyway, check this out too. I didn't get to show you guys this the other day. This is the master bedroom that we got done. Just have to do quarter round in here. Right there is another transition from the Ollie Tramlines, and right here is another one. I did the black with a dark strip in it to make it look good, look better with the dark tile. Alrighty, everything else was good up here except for this. Obviously, after going over the joints and prepping the floor out like we normally do, but this was the worst spot right here, and we definitely took care of it. Went over it with the 6-footer. Once we got done, we had that cat came through here and kind of messed up a little bit of stuff, so Still not completely dry here, but we'll scrape over the little clumps where the cat got it earlier before we install over it. And we're not gluing down sheet vinyl to that anyway, so obviously it ain't got to be perfect. This is what I'm curious about, to see how bad it was. There's a little paw print right there. I'll definitely just let that completely be and try to address it tomorrow once it has a chance to dry up all the way. Actually ain't too awful bad. Just a few little build. I don't even see no more elsewhere, so good. Alrighty, well, I'll get this installed tomorrow and put down some trim. We're only gonna have a 1, 2, transition. The rest of them, it's gonna be good. Alrighty, well, that's gonna wrap it up for this grind. Today's grind. Had a few days there without posting. I hope you guys forgive me and don't kill me for that. But anyway, I surely enjoyed the last weekend with the grandkids. That's what we did all weekend long. It was beautiful weather out, so we just had a good old time. Spent all weekend long doing stuff with the grandkids outside. So about it. Like I said a while ago, hopefully we're going to be able to get this all wrapped up. And the classes are coming up in just a couple weeks, so I'm super excited about that. We are absolutely booked plumb out. We got no spots left at all. It's going to be an awesome class. I can't wait to see you guys when you get here. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB is out.